Welcome to VauBot. Here you can automate and combine Facebook Messenger, Instagram Direct, email and SMS marketing, as well as many other features to grow your business. With VauBot, you can automate your whole customer support department, and you can have sales on autopilot too. First, you must log into VauBot using credentials you have used to create your account. Once you are logged in, you will land on a dashboard page where you can see some basic performance statistics. How many total subscribers you have. Subscribers from different sources. Male versus female subscribers. Subscribers data. And so on. Now, our next step is to import our Facebook pages and Instagram accounts. Let's click on Facebook and Instagram button from the navigation menu on the left side. Then click on Login with Facebook button. Then type your Facebook username and password, and it will automatically connect your pages and accounts with VauBot. Also, there is another scenario if you are connecting your pages and accounts for the first time with VauBot. You will actually need to choose what Instagram accounts you want to connect, as well as Facebook pages. Once you choose them, just click Next. Then we advise you to leave all permissions turned on, because otherwise VauBot will not connect and work properly in the later stages. Once imported, they will appear on your dashboard. Facebook pages will appear under Facebook Pages tab, Instagram Business Accounts under Instagram Accounts tab, and so on. Now let's enable bot connection for those you want to create a bot. Keep in mind that you can enable bot connections for as many pages as you have. And also, once you enable bot connection for a certain page, the bot connection will automatically be enabled for Instagram account that is connected with that page. And here under Instagram Accounts tab you can update your account info by clicking on Refresh button. That's it. We are ready to go on to our next tutorial, creating chatbot flow for Instagram and Facebook. See you there.